Hello and welcome back to Stationeers. It's day 269. And there's still lots of work to do. Right, so this part is connected. I just need to also connect it to my fuel input, where did I end it? There-ish. Alright. Now I do need power to get the pump here. I think I can do something like this. I don't need this to look good, because it's not going to last very long anyway. There. I do want to get started on the pumping. Now, the one tricky part about this is, of course, that I am not going to be able to use the furnace until I finish this build. So I think I should have more than enough materials for everything. And you're still not connected completely here either, so I need to do something about that. I need more pipes. There. I should use the long pipes more. It's very convenient. There. Okay, now everything's here. In the long run, I might want to do something more interesting with all of those, maybe filter things out, but I don't think it really matters. The mix isn't too bad. Right, let's get you inside. It's looking good. Now, I did miss one thing. I also need an analyzer here. Yes, I can get the temperature from the storage tank on this side, but not on the other. And I do need to compare the two. We'll need a pipe analyzer, electrum, of course. I'll probably need more than one. How low am I on iron? Fine for now. There. Let's start with just one. Too bad. There is a cable, not right away, but it is nearby. That should work. Yeah, so now the temperature there is 1500. Well, I can start heating things up. Wow. Yeah, I don't usually think about it this way, but it is really, really big difference between the temperatures. As, of course, it feels like, yeah, it's just 50%, but that's still 500 degrees. Oh, you're completely empty already. Wow. That's the turbo pump for you. I didn't think it would be this fast. That's okay. Right, heating up now. Good. And this should also help the water production, because now I'm not blasting the first stage of the cooling with such a hot gas. So I should be able to pump... Yeah, the cycle should be much shorter now. Very good. Now, I don't think I have to worry about it getting too cold. Yeah, already equalized almost. There's still the difference of like, what is it? 50 degrees? That went really well. Of course, this side is a lot less total. But yeah, that heated it up by, what is it, 100 degrees almost? Something like that. I will want to have safety systems on here, but for now I don't care. Now I need to very quickly go eat and drink. Well, let's do that. Oh, I can do that on the way out. I do have a waste tank. Oh, I'm almost out of oxygen too. So good timing. Oh, whatever.
Health critical.
Yeah. Health critical, air critical, waste tank critical. Work is work. There. Oh, forgot you can't half drink from the fountain. That is a bit annoying. There we go. So you can combine the different food qualities. Works pretty well. I think this was the only one I didn't harvest last time, right? 100 already. Nice to see.
Health low.
Pressure in here is stable, of course. I do still gain a slight amount of nitrogen, which is all I need. And oxygen does not seem to be building up, which is good. It is just holding. Storage is getting full. No matter. That's living taken care of. Let's go back to work. Okay. Now, in the long run, I will need a more complicated system for the furnace. And I am thinking about how soon I want to prepare for that. But for now, let's just take care of the old pipe network. As none of this is now actually necessary. And take it off all of this. I'm going to keep the pressurizer for here. Well, I do still need it. I don't have a replacement, but I do want to put it somewhere else soonish. And it would also be nice to have air that isn't at such a high pressure and temperature. Maybe, well, maybe not, actually. Because there is the disadvantage that you get a lot of more pressure from hot air. Okay. So I think I'm ready to deconstruct this whole thing. Not necessarily the best idea. I'm not worried at all. That's the old furnace then. Again, would be a better idea to do this after I have a replacement, maybe? That's okay. I'm not worried at all. Not worried at all. None of this is needed anymore. Even the valve can go. Yeah, the volume pump. Oh. cabling is going to get easier as well. Yeah, I'm going to keep this one for now. Hopefully that's going to go away as soon as well. Maybe I could mount it here-ish? No, that's not an active end though. Alright. Oh, that's why you did. That's okay then. There we go. Much better. Let's get the pipes out of here as well. Funny that with that turbo pump, it really took more time to build than to move the air. And by quite a wide margin at that. I can reach you, I know. Come on. Really? I really have to dismantle the wall. You can see the pipe. I just hope I'm going to be able to put it back in the way it was before. Yes. Right, and almost there. Now, that does mean that the insulated pipes did build up a little bit, but I will need those, so nothing to worry about. Steel, right? Yeah. That should be enough to dismantle the rest. Looking good. And finally, you can go. There. Right. That's looking pretty good. Now, technically, I don't need any logic here. I was ready to have logic. It's not really necessary now, because this is not going to get hot enough to damage anything. And this side is never going to get colder, because that's not where the cooling well, it can get colder because the combustor radiates. And I think... does that affect you as well? Maybe not. But it does mean that depending on how the burning is going, the temperature can be lower than what's currently in the main storage. Why was the mixer running when we were in burning mode? let's just add the basic logic then. By the way, how's the water? 48 liters. Yeah, this is looking really good. And I think I don't really need the batch processing anymore, right? I could simplify all of this. Because now all of it is done in pretty much a streaming fashion. Anything else having trouble? So coolant seems to be okay. 66 degrees, so it is getting much hotter now. So that's another way to tell that, yes, the productivity of this has improved quite a bit. Holding at 133. You can push more. We will come down at some point, but that's it for the day, it seems. So, see you in the next one. Bye.